Hey guys, me Amy, and we're hearing a real weird noise from like all the way over there. It's like real scary. It's like just like something rolling. Just think about. Doesn't care at all. If it's a mouse, I'm gonna go investigate. Now be quiet, buddy. Be quiet. Shh. What is that sound that was going on? What was it? What was that?
I don't know.
Sounded real weird. That scared me.
Well,
Anybody's behind here? Oh, it's not behind there.
No.
Guys, we'll be right back. Alright? We'll see what was it. Right. Hey guys, it turned out that it was actually my dog. I don't know how it was though. He was just scaring me, he was.
Where were you hearing it?
Like, we were
Over
here.
there.
Yeah, over in the corner.
Yeah, it's the dog.
No, Dad, it wasn't that.
Yeah, it's
It's-
him.
It sounded like this.
Yeah, it's him rubbing himself out here.
That sounded like this though.
No. Who wants Marcus?
Polly.
Howdy.
Dad, I mean in case you're hungry.
Get away.
Yeah, we are.
So, it turned out that it was
My dog.
my dog, idiot. You don't even have a dog, you have no pets. You're alone forever.
No, I haven't. I have a brother and sister.
You know, careless. Hey, you're unlucky then.
Huh?
You're unlucky.
I know. The cat, you're looking. Looking. Ow.
Wow. Well, you're gonna have to wait till I can get up there. Looking for food. What this is.
What are you doing?
Getting food. Right here. Here's something for you. Something for me.
Are these the gem ones?
No, I don't think so. Don't really know. I don't
I
know.
don't
Casey, I don't know. Just take. Hey, they're not even those things. There's something different. Hey, just try them. It's the only thing that you're going to get. It's food. Oh. Hey, they're nice, alright. Guys, that was me. I was just freaked out about the sound.
Yeah.
Also, I have another thing to show you. It's going to be another video today, probably right after this one. After this one goes.
No, Amy.
Bye.